Hey guys, today I'm going to see funny dog completions. I'll go ahead and start watching.
Standing her else against the hose again.
Good boy. Remy, sit. Speak.
Fuck you, bitch.
Good boy. Remy, sit. Speak.
Burn in hell.
Good boy. Remy, sit. Speak.
Don't tell me what to do, nigga.
Good boy. Remy, sit. Speak. Ate my ass. Good boy. Remy, sit. Speak.
And why don't you go fuck yourself?
Good boy. Remy, sit. Speak. Good boy. Remy, sit. Speak.
I'll stick my dick in your throat.
Good boy. Remy, sit. Speak.
I don't give a fuck.
Good boy. Remy, sit. Speak.
Yeah.
Good boy. Remy, sit. Speak.
Oh my god!
Good boy.
Hey guys, what's up here and here? And here, this is gonna be trick shotting stakes 4, 5, or 6.